Hey, this is Andy with North Cascades Harley-Davidson, and today I'm going to show you two bikes. 2019 Heritage 107 and 114. For all intents and purposes, they are the same bike. This one has the 107, Milwaukee-Eight 107 cubic inch. Similar to what you saw last year in 2018 when they introduced the new Softail line. This one has the 114. Both these bikes come in Billiard blue and Billiard white, the two-tone. I just took the 114 out for a little spin around the block, and gotta say, I do like it. Not necessarily my particular riding style, but I can definitely see its popularity. If you are looking for something that's a little bit smaller than, say, a full touring bike, a little bit lighter, this could be the perfect choice for you. Windshield helps cut that wind down a bit. I've got a full face helmet. I had it lifted the entire time. Didn't have any issues with wind hitting me in the face, all that kind of stuff. Nice and a smooth ride as well. The one thing I would say is that exhaust is not that loud. So if you do end up picking up a Heritage 107 or 114, give it that stage 1. They do have the ability to have a quick detach system put on. I would definitely recommend that as well. Get yourself a passenger backrest, maybe that little luggage rack on the back, help with your touring and traveling. The last thing I'll say about these particular bikes here is the color scheme. I love the two-tone Billiard white, Billiard blue. Obviously, it looks kind of like a pool ball, but at the same time, it kind of gives you that almost nostalgic feel of an old, like, police cruiser. Just an all-around fun bike. You can find them here at North Cascades Harley-Davidson. Once again, this is Andy, North Cascades Harley-Davidson. Feel free to follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. We're pretty active there, and hope to see you soon.